In the silence of space, there's a hidden sensory world, one you'd never expect. What if I told you the moon smells like gunpowder, comets carry the stench of rotten eggs, and the vacuum itself has a smoky aroma? Intrigued? Let's explore the smells of the universe. Let's start with the vacuum of space. Surprisingly, astronauts have described the scent of space as unique and memorable. After spacewalks, their suits reportedly smelled like seared steak, welding fumes, and gunpowder. Scientists believe this comes from high-energy particles in space interacting with the materials of their suits, creating a charred, metallic aroma, a fleeting whiff of the void. Now, onto Mars, the red planet. Its surface is covered in iron oxide, or rust, giving it a metallic and bitter smell, much like blood or a handful of old coins. The faint ozone-like tang of its thin atmosphere adds a sharp, electric edge to this already harsh scent. Venus is another story altogether, with its dense atmosphere of sulfuric acid that would assault your senses with the acrid stench of rotten eggs and burnt metal. It's the kind of overwhelming smell that mirrors Venus's extreme surface conditions of heat and crushing pressure. Next, we move to the gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn. While they lack solid surfaces, their atmospheres are rich in ammonia, giving off a sharp, pungent scent reminiscent of strong cleaning products. When mixed with sulfur, the result is a potent, alien chemical cocktail that's hard to imagine tolerating. Uranus and Neptune, the icy giants, would present a similarly unpleasant smell. Their atmospheres contain hydrogen sulfide, the compound responsible for the odor of rotten eggs. This scent would be overpowering, especially when intensified by the cold, distant reaches of their orbits. Our moon, though barren, has its own distinct aroma. Apollo astronauts reported that lunar dust smelled like gunpowder, dry, metallic, and smoky. The fine, sharp particles of moon dust clung to their suits and released this scent when exposed to oxygen, creating a sensory reminder of their extraterrestrial adventure. But what about stars? A dying star, such as a supernova, releases a mix of elements including iron and carbon. This mix would likely produce a metallic, charred scent, as though the universe itself were a giant forge, crafting new elements in a blaze of heat and light. Black holes, while enigmatic, might not emit smells directly due to their nature of trapping everything, including light. However, the accretion disk around a black hole, where matter is violently torn apart, could theoretically give off the scent of burning metal and vaporized gases, reflecting the extreme processes taking place. Asteroids, those rocky remnants of the solar system, vary widely in composition. Iron-rich asteroids might smell metallic, similar to Mars, while carbon-heavy ones could produce a sooty, burnt scent. Some asteroids even contain organic molecules, hinting at more complex and intriguing aromas yet to be fully understood. Comets, those icy wanderers of the solar system, emit a peculiar mix as they approach the sun. Their tails release gases like ammonia, methane, and sulfur compounds, resulting in a smell that blends rotten eggs, alcohol, and the sweetness of formaldehyde, a truly bizarre and pungent combination. Lastly, cosmic dust, the building blocks of stars and planets, carries its own aromatic signature. Experiments have shown that some cosmic dust smells like burnt meat, diesel, or welding fumes, thanks to the presence of polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, complex molecules born in the fiery deaths of stars. The universe is a sensory paradox, vast, silent, yet filled with scents that narrate its history. From the metallic tang of Mars to the sulfuric stench of Venus, from the smoky aroma of moon dust to the burnt traces of cosmic dust, each smell captures a moment in the cosmic dance. So, what do you think the universe smells like? A mix of burnt metal, ammonia, and charred steak, or something beyond our imagination? Let your thoughts wander through the cosmos,